All right, here's the quick video of how to install what's that called there? The Mr. 212, well no, Mr. 12 volt. All right, so in essence, if you have this radio, this is a 2004 CL600, the M275 motor. So you have this radio, right? This stereo. It's got the CD changer in the back. You can see I put this little magnet thing for my phone. And I don't want to change this radio, right? The sound system's good. It's got the steering wheel controls and all that jazz. So, and Android radios, they're terrible. It's a complete waste of money, right? So anyway, so you get that Mr. 12 volt kit, and it tells you to put it behind the radio. But I ain't doing that because I don't want to take apart the dashboard. So what you do is you just come back here. Oh, I put the 12-inch sub in the back. It's powered. So anyway, all you have to do is take your CD changer out. You take the fiber line and you plug it into this little jammy jam right here, right? And you give it 12 volts of power, right? Constant. You need constant power for this. It's not switch. So your battery's right over here. Right, so you just take your battery, bam, go right there. But if you're gonna put a sub in, you might as well just grab the same power and put it in there. And then all you do is you just plug it in, you put it onto the CD changer. I think it's number 6. And then you're jamming. I mean, you could put the speaker, not the speaker, the microphone like I did over here. But, you know, most of the time I just put my phone on that battery thing. The magnet thing, and I use the navigation. And other than that, you just use it as you would normally. It shows you the song that you're on. You use the steering wheel controls to go through the tracks, raise the volume, and it's perfect. You didn't even chop into your car. So good luck.